You know what it is. It's kind of mental. A very beautiful Monday. Um, the setups are already playing out that we did yesterday. So let's try to find our entries and our spots that we can use today, and then let's get to work, guys. Let's get it. Yeah, guys. We really saw the need to exercise because the stress gets to be high, not just because sometimes you don't know what you are doing, but you spending a lot of time on it, like you spending a time on the chart 24/7. You're not moving, you're not doing anything. So I thought to myself, nah, let me just try to exercise and make sure that I take care of my health at the same time, and it's really working out. So right here I want to exercise now. Don't forget, the group is free. Just hype in. I'll leave the link again on the description or bio, or maybe even put it on this video. Just hype in, tune in. Let's go, let's get to work. We're here now. Yo guys, I hope you guys are doing well and you're still okay. Yeah, I just had that intense gym run, push-ups, everything, and I think it's time that I go home and refresh. And I missed the session, yeah, 9, and I'm looking for the one for 10:30 or 10, and then yeah, I'm just gonna be on the chart and analyzing the pairs that we promised to stick on this week, and yeah, finding entries and sending signals to my group. Obviously everything, we don't have any fees that are being paid, so everything is free. And yeah guys, I hope everyone is doing well. I couldn't continue with our video for the day, but this is how far we've came. Yesterday we looked at this point and realized that on our daily time frame we're in that type of a trend that is going down, but we had a breakout and we're expecting the market to continue pushing to the upside and give us something beautiful, you see. So at that point we're looking at the market like that, but it's at the point whereby it's also pushing to the head and shoulder formation that is right there, as we said, right? You see, right there, and then these are your shoulders. So it hasn't like reached the part whereby we can say we are proudly gonna buy and hold, of which is this one, the one that we're looking for. So we understand that we had that massive buy right here, but also at the same time the market is heading to the downside, and that is also giving us a confirmation that we can just stay patient and maybe expect our first buy at that point, maybe for a bit, and then come back to this area, expect another buy, because those are the points of whereby we're getting so much rejection from the market. The pair that broke my heart is Boom 500, because it really played out like how we wanted, and I was looking at it earlier at this area right here, and you see I was expecting that breakout in the retest. And yeah, because we understand very well that the market had an impulse on this area and came back, also had an impulse on this area. I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, we couldn't take that trade, but we understand that the market have that point to reach, so it might also give us something before it heads to the upside, but it can also like run away. So it's part of something that we can't just say the market at this point now we are choosing and what, because also right here you can see your other formation of head and shoulders, and the market really respected that and then went to the upside. So I hope you guys can see that. Let's go to Crash 500. Also Crash 500 gave out this sell at this area, and we expecting the market to really give us something, because you can see that it also gave us something at this point. So yeah, we're just gonna be giving it an eye. And the last pair that we looked at was VIX 75. So VIX 75, we said we're expecting some formation that can happen there at the top, so that we can hype in on a trade. You can see that the market at this point is having this type of a formation whereby it gave us a break this side as a way of sweeping liquidity, and at this side also it did the same thing, you see. So now we're just waiting for the market to give us something clear so that we can hype in. Maybe on a smaller time frame we do, but this is the strong rejection from the market. See another formation that was formed at that point, another head and shoulders. So already the setup played out, so we just want to see if it breaks to the bottom or breaks to the top. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Today it's Monday, and we're gonna see each other tomorrow on the next session. But yeah, let's just keep an eye on the market.